Okay, Avenida de Almirante, Lacerda. So I have walked around here in the daytime before, so now we're gonna do a nighttime one and just kind of see what it looks like. I'll give you some contacts in a minute, so stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so first off we have a little supermarket here, just a little corner one, real small. And then I was just doing another video and I found out that this little street is quite short. Look at that sky, nice. There's also an apartment right there too. Interesting. Okay, it's interesting because they probably overhear conversations if people stop at the stoplight right there, or at the street corner. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just walk. It's a Sunday today. We'll see what we can see. It's nighttime. Nighttime ones are a little bit of a challenge because it's nighttime. I don't know if it always comes up clear. Wow, look at all the people crossing the street over here. It's like a ton of people walking across the street right now. One with a basketball. I should try to catch that because it's a green light for us to run a little bit. It's like we got it. Yeah, what's up with all those people? That's Grand Lisboa straight ahead. So you can see the Grand Lisboa Casino. But we're gonna keep on walking straight down. And kind of tempted to go down that, one of those. But we're gonna go straight down this way. So yeah. The parking garage. Supermarket, I think. You see, yeah, it's like a supermarket in there. It's open. Okay. So we gotta keep on walking down the street here. This is a 24-hour supermarket. Bangkay. I think this is the same supermarket right here, I think. Just kind of take a look. See how that's the same supermarket right there. So just keep on going down. So yeah, it's this is called Patane. So this area is called Patane. There's a parking garage all the way down. So yeah, Patane is kind of a northern part of Macau. It's not too far from the waterfront. There's a waterfront area. It's quite close to here. If I can film and it still looks good, I'll try to film in that area. I think it still looks okay at the moment. I don't know about this little stretch, but in general, but we're gonna get a lot more lighting. I can see some kind of little dark stretch right here. So Royals are have a lot of stuff as well. Okay, now we're gonna get some more stores again. It's a curtain one. It's like kitchen appliance stuff. Kind of want to go down one of these streets, but looks like we're gonna get some more lighting, so I think I should stick with this one. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I will end it right here. So I think we're gonna end it right here so you can get, so that's the street that we're just on, 347. We'll go a little bit further then. Okay, looks like we're gonna get our green light, so if we got that, then we'll just continue going down. I was thinking that we had been going longer than we had. And we haven't. A lot of people are going down that side. Kind of tempted to go myself, but this side is better because there's more people over on this side. More stores that are open right now. So I think we're gonna end it. There's always like, keep going just a little bit more. And we'll end it shortly. We got some more cool stuff up that way. Another Royal. So that Royal is a supermarket. So there's one on that side and there's another one on the other side as well. There's one over there too. Down that way it's a Royal as well. So I think we're gonna bring this to an end in a moment. So yeah, little sights of Macau. Other sights of Macau. Royal supermarket over there too. That's like 3, all within this tiny little area, right? I think we're kind of near the red market. Yeah, I think we're near the red market. Okay, anyways. Maybe we'll oh yeah, you got all these little markets down this way too. So that kind of goes into these little markets as well. So we could keep walking all the way down that way, but I think what we'll do is end it here. There's like lots of market stuff, but I think it's closed at nighttime. And then this would be what we just walked down, was that street right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.